Welcome to Cars2view 3.0, your AI car market co-pilot. In this video, I'll walk you through how to log in to Cars2view. When you first access the Cars2view page, click Sign Up to create your account. Fill in the form with your country, name, email, and company details, including VAT number, company name, your role, phone number, and website. Once you accept the terms of service and click Get Started, the Cars2Click team will review and set up your account. You'll then receive an email confirming your account has been created, along with your username and a temporary password. Just keep in mind this password is randomly generated and should be changed the first time you log in. To get started, head to the home page and click on Login to access the platform. On the login page, enter the email you registered with. Use your password to log in, or if you don't remember it, click Sign in with email. Just enter your email address and click Send Verification Code. You'll receive an email with a one-time verification code. Copy that code and enter it on the login page. Keep in mind, this code is only valid for one-time use. Each time you return to log in this way, you'll need to request a new code. After entering the code, click Verify Code. Once your email is confirmed, click Continue to access the Cars2view dashboard. And that's it. You're in. This is how we make AI data technology work for you. Let's do good business together. Thanks for watching.